So we are very energy dependent on imported energy, and I think our government and our Prime Minister is focusing a lot to decrease the energy trade deficit and to produce energy locally as much as possible. And one of the things which we are looking at is renewable or sustainable energy or energy from waste. So you can say this is a landscape which needs to be looked into a shorter and long term for the country to manage its energy security and also to manage the trade deficit of energy. In this sector, particularly if you ask me, as our organization, we are focusing a lot on managing our energy from waste in a most cost-efficient manner and produce molecules. So it is energy which is storable from the sources which are actually polluting sources in the country. So this is something which we are showcasing as waste, whether it is MSW or agri-waste or bio-waste, unsegregated waste, and we can produce hydrogen, ammonia, or other molecules from it. So this is something which we are focusing very seriously. But on the top of this, being a very strong global technology company, we are showcasing multiple technologies starting from green ammonia, hydrogen, urea, CO2 capture, sustainable aviation fuel, plastic recycling, etc., in addition to waste to X projects.